Yeah. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Wait, no. What the? He didn't say Resident Evil 4. Chainsaw demo. He should have said it. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to another react. Nope. Gore plays. Sorry, I'm tired. I just got back from the theater, and not that the movie was bad. I just saw, but it just I don't know. Just the rest of the energy I had in my body went. Foo! I was like, no, come back. I need to play Resident Evil demo. So anyway, we're gonna play Resident Evil 4 demo, of course. I was thinking about this pretty much the entire time I was watching that movie. 65. Anyway, that was the movie. So let's get to it, baby. Before we get to it, I had to adjust some of the stuff already. So what does this mean? Normal for normal given when using control when aiming. Oh, can you make it? Oh, okay, no. Oh, this is camera. Okay. Can you make it so that you have to stop in? Wait, hold on. Let me see. Run type, toggle, crouch, quick turn, parry with. Yes, that sounds sick. Actually, how do you parry? I feel like parry with. No, because then if you put that on, then how you aim, how you shoot. I guess you just don't aim while. Yeah, I guess that's probably it. You stop aiming. Ready knife and then parry is LB. Okay. Aim assist. No, I don't need that. All right, let's see. Display area. I went through here. Oh, I could turn ray tracing on. No, I don't have a ray tracing TV right now. Wait, you need a TV for that, right? No. Yeah, right? Wait. Yeah. No, you don't. I'm tired. No, you don't. Just keep it frame rate. I like frame rate. Okay. All right. Let's get to it, baby. Let's go. Yes. Yes, please. So I had to adjust some of the visuals, so it might be a little brighter than usual, but I couldn't get it to look right on here.
The cop inside me died that day.
Yeah, it might be a little too bright.
City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by
hopefully in game it looks okay.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky.
I'm excited to play this over and over again.
I was asked later to join a top secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me.
There he is.
At least I kept my mind off everything.
Oh.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second.
Kendo,
This
his
time,
daughter.
It can be different.
Ada.
It has to.
Ada, no. Ada, my love. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Hey, spoiler! I thought I would just go there and have fucking fun. Oh, whoa, damn! All right. Alright, yeah, it looks good on there. Ooh, there's the car. I want to go back. Fuck this, I'm leaving. Oh, they're not there. Oh, they left. Oh, you know what? Nah, that's okay. I'll just... Never mind. So they left this time. It's him, and I mean, usually them or whatever. Or him, and then whatever. He finds them later, of course, dead. Oh, I hear a monster. I hear a monster. Ooh, I hear a monster. Ooh.
How far could he have gone?
Could he have gone? Okay, maybe it's just one guy now? Ew, nasty. Ew, gross. Yucky. Alright. Wait, how do you crouch again? Oh, alright. Thank you. So I was trying to figure. I should have assumed it was B. B makes sense. Okay. Cool. It's over yonder. Nothing. Oh man. This is looking pretty nice right now. Let's go over here. Nothing over yonder. Alright. Can I get my knife ready? I can't get anything ready right now. I'm sure it'll tell me. I wasn't expecting to start off here exactly. I thought we'd just immediately just be thrown into the action. I'm not blocking anything, right, with my camera? Not yet. I'm sure I will be after.
Anyone home?
Shut the fuck up, Leon. I'm trying to be stealth. Hello? I'm stealth. This is... Oh man, we're getting some, What does this say? See... I don't know. Oh, Jennifer's not. Thank you. It just translates for me. Okay. Sorry if you hear a slight little squeak in the background. It's my fucking shitty ass washing machine. Alright. I feel naked not being able to whip out the gun. Oh wait, shit. That was probably alright. The other thing was probably locked anyway. Meow. Dude, the lighting looks so good right now. Look at that cute boy. Hey. Oh, hey, what's up, man?
Sorry to barge in like this.
Fucking rude.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Got that jacket too. Fucking looking nice. Oh. Oh, there you go. Oh, hey, Leon! Oh, he's parrying and fucking in the fucking game too. Yeah, nice roundhouse. There you go. Got him. All right, so that's very different so far. Oh, friend. All right. There we go. Give me that. I want that. Oh, this is very good. Ugh. Man, that stunks? Is that what you just said? I'm assuming I have to go back. Oh. Oh, yeah. Alright, looked at that. Alright. Don't worry, friend. I'm coming. Don't worry, friend. We'll be best friends, eh? Oh, this is already more scaries than the originals. Hey! Friend or foe? What are you? Friend? Friend! Oh, God. Open it up. Open sesame. Oh, no. Me make poo.
Hey!
Hands on conceal. Stop resisting. You alright?
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Alright. He's gonna come down, right? Oh.
What was that?
Spooky, scary. Come on down. There you are.
Fucking way.
Whoa. Oh, fuck. Ah! Oh, no. Oh, okay. There you go. Let's use that.
Keeps getting worse.
It keeps getting worse. Okay. I don't usually use this controller, but I couldn't find any batteries. Alright. Oh, no, he just said it. He said to move on. No. Oh, that's good. Fuck you. Take it. Take the goddamn pain. Oh, come on. Ah, shit. Take it. Take this motherfucking pain. Yeah, that's right. What's up? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up? Yeah. Motherfucking pain. Bitch. Sit the fuck down. Teach you how to fuck. Doggy style. Bitch. Get the fuck out of here. I can't leave now? No. I'm assuming I just jump out. They didn't give me a goddamn thing. Oh, I go up. I thought maybe I had to jump out the window, but that's later. I only have 3 bullets. It's pretty tense already. Yeah. Oh no!
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your
Oh
secret?
yeah.
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Thank you.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Oh, hey! Time to jump.
Gotta go.
Time to jump. Gotta go. Ay, ay, ay.
Let myself out.
Hey, yay! He said a Leon. I said myself. Oh, we could get the bingo line, right? No. It's probably gonna end before they all leave, I bet. Alright. Yeah, just hurry. Head for the lake. Wonder how long this demo's gonna be. I'm assuming pretty short. My guess. Nah, well. You live for today. Ooh. I love that you can just... Yes! I definitely need that, I'm sure. Ooh, oh, you could save? Oh, no. Okay. More ammo? Nope. Oh, well, kind of. Anything else? Alright. Nah, I'll save it. Also, I don't want to alert them. Oh, I hate this. That better not be the fucking dog. I'll be really upset. That better be a different fucking dog. Doggy. Ooh, the frame rate. Kind of took a dip there. I put on frame rate also. So playing on this monitor is really strange. Hey, what's up? Oh, wait. There it goes. There it goes. That's what I wanted. Ooh, that was actually really easy. Shut up. This goddamn pain. Come on. Wait. Oh, baby, what's up? Fuck you. Hell yeah. So sick. Oh, yeah, Pesetas. Come on, I want to do it again. Come on. Oh, baby. Suck it. Oh, yeah, let's go. Come here. Shh. Take that motherfucking pain. Wait. Where's my, no. There it is. Okay. Craft. Oh, I need, whatever that is. Okay. Let me get you. He's like, ugh. Feel that goddamn pain in your bones. I wonder, I'm assuming we're not gonna get, oh, you stupid bitch. Alright. Yeah, forgot. Traps. Ew. Uh-oh. Yep. Oh, I remember that. Wow, they even put the guy there still. Remember this. Aha! Oh, shit! Fuck you! Get the fuck down. Yep. There's another guy somewhere, I think. I'm playing that music too. Or not? Maybe? Okay. That parry is very nice. That's a game changer. legitimately a game changer. Alright, getting up to it. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna fucking fail so horribly at this. I already... Oh. Who's that? Dropping shit? I'm gonna fail so terribly at this. I already know it. Okay. Like, yep, there's our friend. Oh, please tell me the bingo line's in here. Shit. I don't think he's gonna make it. Oh, we could do the cow thing. I definitely want to try the cow thing. Alright. Fuck it, let's go. It's right there, right? Ow! I think it happened? I don't know. Hey! Oh, fuck you, really? Get the fuck out of my way. Fuck off. Putting fucking traps? Look at this shit. Alright, we should just probably go straight in here, right? Close it! Oh, no, no, what do I do? Okay, done. Okay. There you go. Yeah, there he is. Oh my god, I want to change. I want to parry him. If I die from him, that's the end of the demo for me. Did he say shit? Oh fuck me. My lucky day. That's pretty good too. I like that. Oh, don't I have to? Yeah. Shit. Fuck. Yep. Oh my god. Oh god, where's the shotgun? There it is. Oh fuck. Oh god. Wait. No, I want to leave. Get off me. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Wait, kick that off. Wait, no, there's no ladder. Never mind. There it is. Shit. Oh god. Fuck you. I'm out. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Did I just get fucking... Oh, okay. I thought I got instantly killed there. How do I use... There it is. No, that's a flashbang. Oh my god. Shit. How do I use my... Okay, give me a second. Yes. Okay. Okay, yes, thank you. Okay. Oh. Alright. Let's do that. Okay. Give me a second. Alright. Woo! Give me a minute. Alright, let's see. Let's just look at everything. Oh, cool. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Oh, I had a first aid spray, too. That fucking... Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to... Oh my goodness God. Oh my god. Oh, that felt good. Oh god. Oh shit. Hey! There he is. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, fuck off. Oh my god, please run. Back away. Oh, fuck a do. Oh my god, he's running at me. Oh god. Oh, he just lopped his oh my god. I really want to back away. There you go. Wait, shit. Fuck. Yeah, there we go. Oh god. Oh fuck. I'm trying to run fast, didn't work out. Oh come on, please no. Oh no, that goes my knife. There goes my life. Fuck. Oh god. Oh no, I'm fucked, bro. Wait, hold on, let's see what's in here. Hey! Oh my god, I'm fucked. Well, alright, let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. Well, if we die, let's see. Oh, they come on? Come on, cuz. Oh no, Leon. Oh my god. Oh. Alright. That's tense. That's pretty good, though. I wish I had my paddles. I feel naked without them. Hey, they're right there. I could just get them. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, good. Thank you. Okay. Wow, straight from here, huh? What do you have to do again? You just have to survive for a little while, right? Alright, we can skip this. Well, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go over here. Actually, maybe we should just... No, yeah, let's just rush right in there. Excuse me. Excuse me. Aha! Bye-bye! Too bad. Alright.
You gotta be kidding me.
Alright, the resources don't really matter right now. My lucky day. Alright. We get this.
Oh, nice.
Fuck out of here. Hey. Fuck off. Fuck. Hey, fuck. Hey. Fuck.
Bill me for the repairs later.
Oh, hey, what's up? Nope, nope, fuck you. No? Oh shit, okay. Oh my god, I'm so fucked. Just, yes, thank you. Wait, let me go this way. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Excuse me, excuse me. Fuck. Yeah, I don't got anymore. I just kept unloading on the fucking chainsaw man. Oh, there he is. Oh, don't grab me. Ow, fuck. Okay. Bye. Oh, fuck my face right in my ass. Excuse me, excuse me. Ooh, fuck you. Go, just go. Don't you have to go over here? Or this is after they leave, right? Well, it was a good attempt. Let's go, bitch! Let's go, let's go! Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, I'm done. Alright. Calm down. You're just getting chainsawed to death. Act like you've never been chainsawed to death before. Alright. I'm too tired to do this right now. Oh, man. Oh, God. I got that loud-ass fucking washing machine. Not washing machine. Yeah, whatever. Washing machine. That's what it is. God damn, it's a dryer, actually. Anyway, I forgot what you have to do. You just have to wait, right? Or do you have to kill enough, maybe? I don't remember. Whatever. I'm sure the bingo line's in there, but I think that's good enough. I'm going to play this more myself, but I just wanted to give it a quick look. Yep, I'm sure it ends right after this anyway. So there you go, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks, Alex. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. I know, kind of a shitty way to end it, but I'm tired. I can't concentrate enough. Bye.